Is Grammarly good for writing AI scripts? Short answer, yes, but with a small catch. Grammarly is great for polishing your script. It helps fix grammar mistakes, improves clarity, and makes your sentences sound more natural. So if you already have an AI-generated script, Grammarly can make it smoother and more professional. But here's the catch. Grammarly is not really built to create full scripts from scratch like advanced AI tools. It's more of an editor than a generator. So you still need a tool like ChatGPT or another AI writer to generate the main content first. Where Grammarly really shines is in tone. You can adjust your script to sound more engaging, confident, or even casual, perfect for YouTube videos. It also helps remove robotic or repetitive phrases, which is super important if you're using AI-generated content. So the best strategy? Combine both. Use AI to generate your script, then run it through Grammarly to refine and humanize it. That way you get the best of both worlds, speed and quality.